if it's a little.
No, not for that one. The bigger ones you can. I think that one it's so small they don't have a good way of doing that.
The jet doesn't fit them all. Huh?
More damage to the trains. Well, I want a big snowfall to happen so I can take Ellie's sled riding, attach that to the front of the sled, and have it viewing her as she goes down.
Well, that's what it's for. Like when people go skiing,
Yep.
you put them in like on top of the bed and they go skiing. Kevin, turn on the lights on the street car. Loco 5 headlight and then number 5. No, just number 5. And then hit.
The headlights on.
Okay.
Swap the line and
Postel?
yeah, it was a Lake Grove store.
Really?
It's going out of business, but everything was $1. I mean, like these are like, I don't know, they look like for young girls or people that are little. And so we just walked through just to see what the hell was $1.
Anything like
Well, they actually, the one sports place, hats were $7. So, I mean, 2 hats for $10. But I have so many hats at home, like even for $7. They bought up all my wedding hats. Yeah, I was going to buy you 6, but you.
Okay.
As I said, we have so many at home.
Amazing.
Yeah, that was a good deal. And they're bigger.
That was a couple
They're
of
not like,